creamy, spicy crawfish seasoning. You're gonna love it. Keep watching till the end. I will put all the ingredients in the description, like always. Please like and subscribe, and let's see what we come up with.
Tastes like crap.
Ugh.
No, I just said you did a really good job on it. It tastes awesome.
Here's our Cajun Trinity. I got green onions, celery, bell pepper, onion, and we like to add jalapeno. Chop these up really fine. Because this is a crawfish cheesy topping sauce, I want these vegetables as fine as I can possibly get them. We're not making an étouffée. I ended up using half of a white onion, 2 sticks of celery, half of a jalapeno, and half of a green bell pepper. I'm gonna start on medium. We're gonna put some butter in there. And we're gonna add some, I need to use this up. It was in the fridge, or else I would have missed fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons garlic. I don't want to cook this for more than a minute. Let's go ahead and add our Cajun Trinity. Get everything sauteing. We're going to turn this down to about a 4, which is a little bit less than a medium. Let these saute. And while they're thinking about doing that, let's add some salt. Sea salt. Let's add some crushed black peppercorns to your liking. I've got some Creole seasoning. This just happens to be Slap Your Mama. It's Bobby's favorite. That's what we're using. More's gonna be added later, I promise. Make sure you're stirring occasionally so nothing burns. Louisiana crawfish tell me this is 12 ounces. That's how they sell it around here in Texas anyway. And we're just gonna put that in there, straight from the bag. Fully cooked, peeled, and deveined. Fat on. Okay, let's get it all in there. That looks pretty good, and we're not even close to done. Yes. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Should thicken the sauce up. It's not a sauce yet. It will be here in just a minute. Gotta get that little roux base going on. It's good. Needs more. Almost got that after bite. Some more Creole seasoning. A little bit more black pepper. Alright, we're gonna add another 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, some Worcestershire sauce, let that cook for just a little bit. We're getting there, but I need to get this show on the road, so we're gonna turn this from a 4 to a 6.5. Get it going. And I've got Gouda cheese from the H-E-B deli. I was trying to ask for it shredded, but I think she was busy and didn't hear me. So we have sliced. In here I have about 1.5 pounds or 1.25 pounds. I don't need that much. I don't know. We'll see. Just gonna put it in there. Let it start melting. That's why I turned the temp up. Let this cheese start melting. Uh-oh, puppy's being bad. So let that melt, and then we're gonna taste it and decide if it needs more seasoning. more cheese or more whatever it might need. I turned this back down to a 3. I don't want to overcook the cheese because it'll get clumpy. Here in a minute, Bobby's gonna come taste it. Looking good. I'm gonna give it a try. It's really good. Really good.
Tastes like crap.
Oh,
No, I just said you did a really good job on it. It tastes awesome.
now I'm gonna take it off the heat. We're gonna move it over here.
I want some tortilla chips so I can scoop it all up.
It smells really good. I already know the cheese sauce is good. That's spicy crawfish cheese sauce. Excellent. Here you go, Bobby. You asked for it. You got it. There's some chips.